Hello everyone. I'm going to show you a really quick way to make an attendance form during this distance learning time using Google Forms. So what I have here in front of me is a blank form. I basically, when I wanted to make one, I went to my Drive and I went to New, which apparently doesn't want to show up. There we go, or not. And I went to More and I selected Form and I made a blank form. So that this is what came up. And so here I'm going to ask a few things. First, this is just a basic attendance form. So I'll title it attendance. And then in the first question, I'm going to ask for the first name, and I am going to keep these separate. This is for sorting in a spreadsheet later. So if you continue to some of my other videos, you'll see that I show you how to sort out this information in a more manageable way. So first name, the Google form automatically assumes that I'm asking for a short answer. I am going to put required. This makes it required that the students answer this. I'm just going to copy this question and I'm going to change it to say last name. And then it's already required. And then I'm going to add a question. And this one's automatically multiple choice. And I'm going to ask their class period. And I'm going to put in the options each of their class periods. It's important that I use only the digits for my later sorting in my spreadsheet. So not typing in the word one, not typing in the word first, not in any way having anything except these digits. So our classes are 7. So I'm just going to put all 7 class periods here, and I am going to make this required. And then one more setting I do want to set for this is I want it to automatically collect email addresses. So they'll be using their school email, and I just wanted to automatically collect it in case there's any issues with their names being typed in. I can check against their email addresses. Right? So I'm going to save this. And I can come in here at any time and edit these things, change it if I need to. When I'm ready to send this to students, I want to make sure that it has a title up in the top. You can add a description in here. I'm going to send this. So I may want to email it to all of my students. I myself will be copying the link and pasting it into my Canvas course. It can be pasted into a Google Classroom, any of that kind of stuff. So placing this link somewhere that the students can access daily. And then let's say that I've received some responses and I'm ready to take a look at my attendance. I only need to do this part one time. I'm going to come in here to my Google form. I'm going to select responses. And I'm going to select this spreadsheet. There's some other options you can go through individually, but by using the spreadsheet, this allows me a chance to sort out some information. Once I've created this spreadsheet, it takes all of the entries that I've previously received and places them into this spreadsheet here in the order in which the student has answered the survey. So you can see they're all sorted here. Now I do have a hack for how to sort this more efficiently in it by period, by day, and by alphabetically by last name. That's in another video.